Hello guys. Hello, how are you guys? How is your weekend going? Okay, mine is mostly indoors. Kiskizia. The weather today is not that good, so me niko tu indoors. So I was just seated watching, thinking. Nikafikiria nikaona it's been a minute since ni bake, so nika decide let me do a banana cake. Yeah, for me I love banana cakes. Ni tamu na ni poa, like ni tamu and easy to like do it. Yeah, it will take me a few minutes, a few things to do. So I'm craving banana cake, so I'm doing this. Today's it's on a weekend, so just bake it and maybe take it for breakfast hii wiki inakuja. Yeah, for me, so this is banana. Hapo kwenye unaona na mash some bananas. Mash vizuri, zinafaa zikuwe well mashed so that they can go well kwa unga, evenly distributed. Alafu, as you can see hapo, niko na sukari, I have my vanilla extract, I have sugar, I have prestige, I prefer using prestige, niko na ka weighing scale hapo. Yeah, for me weighing scale ndio inawaka poa na mimi. It helps me like measure exact. So today I'm gonna bake a half a kg of banana cake. Now it's big but tani serve kwa muda, and then I'll use inaitwaje, cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon by the way guys, mimi naona okay, as I don't know if it's just me, but when I use cinnamon while baking, it chakula, like whatever I bake doesn't go bad so fast. Yeah, so cinnamon inaweza kuwa ka preservative. So here on that pink bowl of mine, nataka nianze na mixing wet ingredients. Sawa. Yeah, so nimeshaweka mayai, sukari itaenda hapo. That's the best part ya kuadd sukari by the way. And then there kwa hiyo weighing scale napima margarine, my blue band yenye nitabake na 150 grams of prestige. Yeah, so hiyo ilisha, kabidi nifungue mpya. Thank God I had shopped for these things. Yeah, so 150 grams of margarine. Hiyo pia, okay, most people, some people will melt that, but as for me, hivyo tu, like ikiwa hivyo, so nikiwa issue, maybe mixing kwa wet ingredients ndio itakuwa issue, but set ni serious issue. Yeah, I would melt that, but it is. So ni hivyo for me. Yeah, so I'm done with the margarine. For me, weighing scale kwangu mimi inawaka poa, but if you have those measuring cups pia, good, well and good for you, can still use them. Yeah, so I'll add that to my wet ingredients pia pale. And by the way guys, hii keki ilikuwa tamu, ni tamu sana. I've eaten it before I came over here to talk to you people. It's a really tamu cake. But guys, one more thing I should tell you about cakes. Just let them cool. Usikule keki haijapoa. Yeah, but if you want to know what will happen, unaweza kula tu. Usije ukasema unaambiangwa, just eat if you want. Test. So I went to get my whisk. Then nimeipata, I'll add some vanilla extract pale. Kidogo tu, si mob, si overdo. Evo like that's like a teaspoon. Then you whisk. This is why most people like the ninge melt your butter. Unaona, ingekuwa much easier, but either way tawak same. And then other people instead ya blue band, they will use mafuta ya kupika. Still okay. The difference itakuwa ukitumia mafuta ya kupika itakuwa fluffy. The cake will be fluffy. Like ushaona cake unaiguza hivi, it's bouncy. Yeah, that's the result ukitumia mafuta ya kupika. But as for me, I prefer ikiwa hivi, kwa kitu compact, kitu ikipoa tu, and you take it with tea ama whatever, milk, hot cocoa na slap. Yeah, pale nimeongeza maziwa, won't add all that milk, like 3/4 cup. Yeah, that's enough. Mix well. Make sure everything is mixed and combined well. Yeah, after that we're gonna pour in our mashed bananas. That's the best. Hiyo ndo the best stage ya kuiadd. The best stage ya kuiadd hapo. Then you mix again. Kila kitu imexiwe vizuri. It's important, mixing, whisk properly. But there guys, I have a hand mixer. I didn't use it juu yenyewe switch yangu iko kule mbali. I wouldn't have a working space if I used a whisker. I wouldn't be able to show you guys all this. So hata whisker inafanya tu kazi. Other people would blend. There's so many ways of killing a cat. Whatever way works for you guys, just go for it. So that's my sieve. Pale, that's my unga. Hiyo nayo ni unga ni 300 grams. Nitaongeza pale kachumvi kadogo tu, like a pinch of salt and cinnamon pia nusu kijiko. Then you pass through, you sieve it. You sieving hiyo unga. Okay, I think ni apparently kuna kuanga na air inside flour. That's what we are get rid of. Tuna get rid of that air that is always pale ndani ya unga. Yeah. So then kuna two residues tutabaki pale. Maybe mostly salt, kalikuwa na particles kubwa na unga yenye maybe unga ilikuwa kwenye baridi. Get tabakisha tu particles. So don't skip that stage guys. Watu wengine assume, but I have tried it. Nishai bake 2 cakes one day, same oven. Nikabake yenye sijafanya hivyo unga na yenye nimefanya hivyo unga, there was a very big difference. Kusieve unga ni important guys. Basically what I'm trying to say, don't miss that stage ya kusieve unga. Okay? Good. So there pale ndo tuko kwenye the last process ya our mixing. Yeah, mix well. Mix very well. Make sure unga imeingia na kila mahali, kusiacha mahali unga. Yeah, and then guys, while baking, measurement is important. Usifanye ile eti napima na macho. Do not do that. If you miss a step in baking, keki yako itakufanyia vibaya. You'll cook a ugali cake hapo. So if you don't have measuring cups, just buy this weighing scale. It's expensive. When you go to the supermarkets, around like 800, but just buy that. Ama kama uko na zile measuring cups, good for you. Yeah, just make sure your measurements. Pale kwa kupima pale, that's the most important part kwa kupika cake. So that baking, itwaje kitu ya kubekia ndani, hiyo ya black hapo mnaiona, ndio tutatumia kwa leo. We'll make a banana shaped cake. A bread shaped cake today. Afu kitu bought it recently in Kamukonji, very cheap guys. I think ilikuwa tuso and it's big. Tunatoshea half a cake, si kidogo. Nilibuy either tuso ama 250. Yeah. and it's good quality as you can see. So whatever I'm doing right here, na grease ile kitu pale, naipaka margarine all round everywhere mpaka chini. So this process huwa inasaidia like, unaona vile you bake a cake and then unaitoa, doesn't stick. If you skip this stage, utapika keki inaitoke fiti, but when you're going to remove it from this place, from this whatever umebekia, itabaki tu pale ndani, because you're skipping this simple, most crucial important parts kwa keki. So after nimepaka hivyo, I'll put some unga, nifanye hivyo spread all around, ishikile kila mahali penye kuna ile margarine. Yeah, and guys, I told nilikuwa nimesahau kuambia nimetumia all purpose flour. All purpose flour, no sorry, self-raising. Self-raising means already shaekwa baking powder, so no need of baking powder. Eti wewe umeshameze hiyo already iko nayo. That's the goodness. Then I should have had baking soda. It helps by the way baking. But mine finished and I forgot to restock, so it helps while baking. But jatuna doesn't mean the cake won't come out well. Tokea tu. Yeah, so that's it. Mnaona guys, then usibakishe unga pale ndani ile kitu ya kubake, naitoa kabisa. As long as isha stick kwenye umeweka BB, that's all you need. So I want to show you guys consistency ya banana cake. You see, thick. That's the best consistency ya kupika banana cake. Hiyo it's quite smooth. For me, mimi napenda kiwe hivyo. Inatukanga yani moist, from inside it's really moist, alafu nje iko crunchy. This is a very special cake by the way guys. Ukimix vizuri and you follow all the measurements well, it's gonna come out a very nice cake. So pale expectations yetu ni keki iwe crunchy from outside and very moist from inside. Yeah, with that consistency. If you want a lighter consistency, kila mtu afanye vile, whatever the heart wants, but don't, make sure usiharibu process ya kubake cake. Do not. So there, na gwara ikitu, and then this silicone spoons na kwa kugwara, they are doing a very nice job. Itaacha hiyo kitu kiwa safi. No wastage guys, we are not wasting anything. Magwara imetoa kila kitu. I'm sure I'm baking all my unga, you see. Silicone spoons, very important. So ataka hiyo kijiko tubakishi kitu. We're not wasting guys. Kwa hii channel yetu hatu waste. We are not wasting food. So there I'm spreading for it to be evenly spread, ndio ikitoke ikiwa na shape fit. Yeah, so spread poor very well. Hapo don't worry, hizo zenye ziko side, they don't affect anything. Just that they will burn before the rest of the cake. Yeah, but nothing else. So that is that. So nitagongesha pale like kitu iko even kabisa. You see? It's very even. Very even. Hiyo unga iko poa kabisa. So now we are going over to the oven, and I forgot to tell you guys, nilisha preheat. You must preheat your oven for 15 minutes. Yeah? Then pale, yeah, the heat is fine. Pale nimeweka 180 degrees and 60 minutes. 180 degrees for cakes. For baking cakes you have to do 180. Afu for this, if it was another cake ingekuwa 45 minutes, but for banana cake, for me 60 is nice. Hata ikiungwa kidogo pale, you see mind. Yeah, so pale ni 60. Nimeadjust, nili preheat 15 minutes. Nimeadjust sasa imerudi 60 minutes. Afu zuri hiyo oven yangu, that timer rings when it stops. Yeah, when it's ready. So there's no like overcooking. So 30 minutes later tukakuja confirm bado haiva, but it's raising guys. So unaona There's hope. Let me tell you guys, ukimake a mistake ya kubake, your cake won't raise. Can you imagine? Haita raise. Na isipo raise hivyo, that means that's not even a cake. I don't know ni ugali ama nini. Yeah, so that's it. That's hiyo keki iko sawa. Yeah, so the bell rang, time ilifika, so it's time to get out our cake. Imeiva. You see guys? Imefura vizuri vile inafaa. It's browning outside. Huh? This is gonna be a crunchy cake from outside, as I can see. And as I told you guys, pale kwenye oven inakuanga moto. If you don't handle that place well, utaungua. It can burn. That shit burns. So yeah, I think I'll one day buy myself mittens. Nito hivyo money. Zinaitwa nini hizo vitu za kutumia kwa oven isichomeke? Yeah, hizo kani mittens sawa. Then if you wanna check a cake imeiva, you can stick in a knife kama hivyo. Kitoka safi iko sawa. Wengine wanatumianga sijui stick what? Stick up ka wooden stick. Bora tu itoke safi. Kitoka na unga kando kando, that means that cake is not well cooked. So our timing was right. So your cake iko sawa kabisa, as you can see. So now let's zima our oven. Kwa time pia tutoe all that heat nini. Zima kila kitu iwe sawa. So that when like usipozima hivi and then you go ukuje ukitaka like tuakisha uakishe pale the oven will start again. Taanza kufanya kazi na the more you go on the more steam inaenda, and you know PPLC umetufanyia ile kitu. So you make sure it's zimmed. Good. You see our cake? It's really nice. Really nice cake. And then you guys, whatever the noises unasikia pale behind, maybe kwa background, my TV was on. Didn't pause. Niko na series fulani, I didn't get to pause it. So you'll excuse the noises. So our cake is ready. Nimeenda nikachukua ile kitu ya oven bado ndio. It's the best place to place cake ikipoa. It cools better and faster. And it does not compress. Yeah, so tutaiondoa pale kwa hiyo kitu ndio ipoe haraka. Tuweke pale kwa hiyo mesh. Ipoe tu pole hatuna haraka na hii. It must cool well. I told you guys, don't eat hot cake. Do not eat hot cake. And then you can see hiyo pati yenye imebakia kwa hiyo kitu ni yenye labda sikupaka vizuri ile blow bang. Hebu imagine sikupaka the whole thing. Ingebaki yote, so ingebidi tukulie pale. Alafu ni tamu. Tamu Sara plus it's hot. You see, I was like moving it ikakatika into two because it was hot and delicate. I wanted to position it well, but anyway, kukatika imaanisha italika. So sisi hapo bado niko pale kwa background nikionja. This is nice. This cake ilitokea poa. Better than I expected. You see, nje iko crunch. Then I'll post photos of it pia ndani. Crunch well. Really crunchy. So guys, thank you.